Hey guys, my name's Chrissy. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Otherwise, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my eyelashes look huge, and hopefully it can help you guys on achieving huge looking eyelashes without using falsies. First step is how I take care of my lashes. So every night I moisturize my lashes after I wash my face, either with coconut oil or with castor oil. You can get castor oil in Just Green or Organic Plus in Hong Kong. Otherwise, you can order it offline. I got mine at Just Green. YouTubers say that it helps with hair growth and promotes eyelash growth. I didn't actually personally see any difference, but it helps to moisturize my lashes, so why not? Oh, just realized this angle is really bad. Okay, so after I apply the oils on my eyes, not on my eyes, after I apply the oils onto my lash line and onto my lashes, I sleep on them. Yeah, I leave them overnight and I, sleep with them. And then in the morning, while I wash my face with my face wash, it gets washed away as well. So, with brand new, not oily eyelashes, we've come to this stage where I am going to show you how I curl my lashes and apply mascara to make my lashes look as big and fake as possible. So first things first, lash clipper. Now, I used to use Muji's lash clipper that looks like scissors. I prefer that one over this one. This one's just a cheap one I found in Sasa. I like that one more just because I have more control over it, but this works as well. This works just as fine. I used this in my previous video, so I'm gonna show you how I curl my lashes. Let's get a closer view. Okay, so I'll start off with this eye just because I always start off with my right eye. So what I do is I place the lash curler as close to my roots as possible, and then I kind of like push my lid upwards, if that makes any sense to you. Like, it's kind of weird, but yeah, so I gently place it onto my lid, push it a little bit upwards, and you see how this is like really close to my roots? And being careful not to clip my skin, I curl my roots first. So I do a few pumps on my roots, maybe like 3, so like 1, 2, 3. Just enough pressure so that you can feel that, it's being clipped, but like not so hard that it's damaging your lashes. And then I slowly slide it a little bit higher. So basically I'm curling from my roots and moving the lash clipper towards the tip of my lashes. So let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get the roots first. 1, 2, 3, slide a little higher. You see what I did there? So I'm pumping as I'm sliding up, like that, if that makes any sense to you. Hopefully it did. Let me show you again. And you see? Magic. Okay, let me show you the other eye so that you get a better view. Do the same. You want to repeat this process like a few times to get like a really dramatic curl. And the reason why I do it this way, the reason why I slide it, from root to tip, is so that it gets like a nice curve, so that it's just like not straight up. Because like when I was in high school, like I used to curl my lashes like just on the roots, and it just like it looks like this. Whereas you want the lashes to look like, like this, like a scoop, not like an angle, like a 90-degree angle. Like, no, that just looks really awkward. So I'm gonna go through my lashes like a couple more times until I get my desired curl. Sometimes like the lash curler doesn't get all of my lashes. Like sometimes like the outer edge or the inner corners of my lashes like don't get inside the curler. So what I do is just like like this is the normal position, it's like right in the middle, and basically what I do is I just put it closer to the side like that to get the outer corners, and then do the same. Simply just do the same, and the same with the inner corners. It's that easy. But I curl my lashes like quite a lot to make them look really dramatic and as fake as possible, just because I don't wear falsies. And they're already pretty dramatic. But to make them even more dramatic, I am going to use mascara. And of course I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because it makes lashes look dramatic as heck. But be very careful when using it on the bottom lashes, it can get so messy. And like, especially on a hot day, it's most likely going to melt off and like smudge onto your eye bags or whatever. So I actually don't like using this on my bottom lashes unless I really want that doll eye look. Otherwise, I actually just do my top lashes like every day. So, starting with the base, at the root, you kind of squiggle it up, and be careful not to touch your eyelids with this mascara. It can get so messy. Like, I have that problem all the time. So, squiggle it up, squiggle it up, squiggle, squiggle, and then comb it. I like to get like more on the roots so that it kind of looks like I did eyeliner, but I didn't. I suck at eyeliner, honestly. Like, in my previous video, I tried so hard. And I still somehow messed up a little bit, if you can tell. Anyway. Oh no, there we go. Do you see that? Like, I already got some mascara onto my eyelid, so I'll be right back after I clean up. Okay. Side note, I usually curl my lashes and do my mascara before I do my eyeshadow, just so that, ooh, look at that. Sorry, I got off track. Just so that in case, you know, I make a mistake with my mascara and get some on my lids and have to wipe it off, then I don't have to, you know, redo my eyeshadow. But today, for this video, like, I already did my eyeshadow, if you can tell. Awkward. So, just keep combing it out. And then remembering to get these short little lashes closer to the inner lashes. Closer to the inner lashes. Closer to the inner corners. And right now it looks pretty dramatic but kind of clumped up. So how I'm gonna fix that is that I have a little spoolie. I have this little spoolie. I didn't buy it. I actually got it. You know how like some makeup stores, they have this little vanity, and in that little vanity they'll have like cotton pads, little brushes, little spoolies. Yeah, I just picked like 3 of these and I just use them every day. So I'm just brushing through my lashes with this spoolie that has nothing on it because you don't want product in your spoolie. You're basically using it like you're using a brush to just separate the lashes so that they don't look clumpy. So they look better now. I still see a little clump here. So, do you see that? Do you see the difference? Yeah. Oh, I have contacts on, by the way. They're colored contacts. They're supposed to be gray, but they look a little darker than gray, but anyway. Other eye. Squiggle from the root for, oh, I didn't refill my. Okay. Other eye. Start from the root again. Squiggle it up. You can get more on the roots to make it look heavier. The roots first, and then brush it up. Do you see this? Oh, okay. And then inner corner lashes. And I'd say I did a pretty good job on this one. My friends ask me how I get my lashes like so big. Like, are they fake? Did I get extensions? No! I just curl them really nicely and put really heavy mascara on. Life hack. So, that's about it. That's how I do my lashes. That's how I make them look huge. I don't wear this eye look to school every day. Usually at school I just curl my lashes and that's it. But when I go shopping or when I hang out with my friends, I will go for a more dramatic look like today. I'm actually not going anywhere today. I specifically dressed up and did my makeup for this video. You're welcome. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Comment down below what else you want to see. Yeah, I know you don't really know me very well, but you know, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you want more content. I'm gonna be filming a recipe video very soon for my school contest. It's a brownie recipe. It's vegan. Got your back, girls and boys. So yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye guys. Stop filming. Why won't this stop filming? Oh my god. Help me, Chloe.